Good afternoon, everyone. Oh, so everyone likes to dance? Yes! So now we are going to start with action song. Okay, the song will be played. So everyone enjoy? So keep standing straight now. One day level. Okay. Join your hands and close your eyes for a prayer. We will start with the prayer now.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना हम चले रस्ते से हमसे भूल करके कोई भूल होना इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना हम चले रस्ते से हमसे भूल करके कोई भूल होना इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना
Pledge. India is my country.
इंडिया इज माय कंट्री
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
ऑल इंडियंस आर सिस्टर्स
I love my country
आई लव माय कंट्री
and I am proud of its
आई एम प्राउड ऑफ इट
rich and varied heritage. I shall strive to be
I shall strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. So students, what is today's date? 21st July. You all know what is special about this day? Okay. So I will tell you what is special about this day. 21st July in the year 1969, two astronauts, that is Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz, two astronauts had gone on the moon. They had walked on the moon the first time. So this day is special, specially known as the two American astronauts had walked on the moon. That is the special day. So what is today's thought is everyone should keep on smiling. You all like to smile? Yes. Why do you all like to smile? You like to make others happy? Yes. Okay, so why do we smile? We smile so that others can be happy in our presence, right? Yes. And even if they don't smile at you back, it's okay, right? It's okay, but you should keep a smile on your face, like I'm keeping right now. Yes? You can smile, everyone. So today's thought is this. So today's headline news. Ketan is going to read.
Government releases rules for work from home for special economic zone. India is ranked peaceful country. First Iceland, second New Zealand.
Wait. So India is ranked 135th peaceful country. So first country that is ranked is Iceland and second is New Zealand. So our country ranks 135th.
From 7 17th July onwards, GST is taxed on food products like rice, curd.
Yes. Now everyone will disperse by clapping. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now everyone can go in their class. Standard first can proceed.